Don't sweat the small stuff. And
You all, don't sweat the small stuff.
Don't sweat the small stuff.
Don't sweat the small stuff.
Don't sweat the small stuff. You'll drown.
Scare, I've learned not to sweat the small stuff.
No, I don't sweat the small stuff.
Try not to sweat the small stuff.
What happened to not sweating the small stuff?
Don't sweat it, small stuff. We're all part of the gang.
Excuse me?
Don't sweat that stuff that Vic said.
Scaredy cat.
What the hell are you doing, Grandma?
Come in, scaredy cat.
Come on, scaredy cat, we're almost there.
I'm scaredy cat.
The scaredy cat, okay?
No, open the book, scaredy cat.
Scaredy cat?
That's the point, scaredy cat.
You big scaredy cat!
I'll become a scaredy cat. We should call her.
Whatever you say. Scaredy cat.
Well, it's payday for the hospital.
It's payday.
It is payday, Craig.
It's payday, boys.
It's payday, Mr. J.Peck.
It's payday. Payday!
Payday, payday.
I like it.
Thank God it's payday.
Payday.
What?
Payday.
I lost my train of thought.
I lost my train of thought.
I lost my train of thought.
I lost my train of thought. I lost my train of thought.
Point. I lost my train of thought. What was I saying?
I've lost my train of thought.
Lost my train of thought.
Hold on, I just lost my train of thought.
Sorry, I lost my train of thought.
Sorry. I lost my train of thought.
Right. Wait, I lost my train of
Wow. Lost my train of thought here.
And speaking of losers, I lost my train of thought.
No, I lost my train of thought.
You're close.
Talk to the hand.
Talk to the hand, because the face don't understand.
Talk to the hand. Talk to the hand, Grandma.
Talk to the hand, Monica.
Okay, just 1 second.
Talk to the hand, son.
Talk to the hand.
Talk to the hand.
Talk to the hand.
Talk to the hand. Remember that?
Talk to the hand. You know what?
Talk to the hand.